name is Justin Sorda, and I'm here to answer the number 10, which is g of x is equals to 3 quantity of 2x plus 4 times x squared minus times quantity of x squared minus 8. Hindi natin ma-full method, kaya isi-simplify muna natin ang 3 quantity of 2x plus 4. 3 times 2x will be 6x. Tapos 3 times 4 will be 12. Tapos pwede na natin ito i-full method. 6x times x squared equals 6x cubed. 6x times negative 8 will be negative 48x. Tapos positive 12 times x squared will be 12x squared. Then 12 times negative 8 will be negative 96. Tapos pwede na natin makuha yung derivative. Yung 6x cubed minus 1, kasi kukunin natin, times natin yung cube sa 6. Kaya 6 times 3 will be 18x squared. Tapos, ililift na natin as is yung 48x. Tatanggalin na natin yung x, kaya magiging negative 48. Tapos, 12 times 2 minus 1, 12 times 2 will be 24x. Tapos, magiging 1 na lang rin yung exponent ng 12x. Kaya, ang magiging derivative natin ay 18x squared minus 48 plus 24x, or 18x squared plus 24x minus 48.